Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Whole wheat berries are truly a fantastic addition to your kitchen, offering incredible nutrition and a wonderfully satisfying texture. They bring a delightful, nutty flavor, enhancing a wide variety of meals, from savory salads to comforting stews. You might think cooking them is complicated, but it's actually quite simple and very rewarding. Getting them perfectly cooked at home provides a wholesome base, ready for your next culinary adventure. Before you start cooking, it's always a good idea to give your wheat berries a thorough rinse under cold running water. This helps remove any dust or debris. For an even better outcome, consider soaking them overnight in a bowl of water. Soaking can significantly reduce your cooking time, sometimes by half, and it also aids in digestibility, making the nutrients more accessible. This small preparatory step really sets you up for perfectly cooked grains. The most common way to cook wheat berries is on the stovetop. Simply combine 1 cup of rinsed wheat berries with about 3 cups of water in a medium-sized pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it cook for anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes, or until the berries are tender with a slight chew. Drain any excess water, and your wheat is ready. If you're looking for a faster method, a pressure cooker is fantastic for wheat berries. You can often cut the cooking time down to 25 or 30 minutes, depending on your machine. For a more hands-off approach, the slow cooker works wonderfully too. Just use the same water ratio and cook on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Both these methods consistently yield tender, chewy wheat without constant watching, perfect for busy days. Once cooked, your wheat berries are incredibly versatile. They make an excellent addition to hearty salads, adding texture and substance, or you can stir them into comforting soups and stews. Try them as a wholesome side dish, perhaps tossed with a little olive oil and fresh herbs, or use them as the base for vibrant grain bowls. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for about 5 days, or freeze them for even longer, making meal prep simple and convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.